Welcome back. Quick power tip coming your way on how to build confidence in just 60 seconds. Whether you're prepping for a big game or simply want to feel more self-assured, this one's for you. First tip, the power pose. Find a quiet space, stand tall, and open up. Hands on hips, chin up, take a deep breath. Hold for about 60 seconds. This pose can boost confidence and reduce stress. Moving on to tip 2, positive affirmations. Reflect on your strengths and achievements. Repeat positive statements to yourself like, I am confident, or I believe in my abilities. You'll start to rewire your brain for confidence. Lastly, tip 3, visualization. Close your eyes and picture yourself succeeding in a challenging situation. This mental rehearsal can alleviate anxiety and boost confidence. And there you have it, 3 tips to boost your confidence in just 60 seconds. Building confidence is a journey. Take small steps. Incorporate these tips into your routine and watch your self-assurance grow. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hit the bell so you never miss a short like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay confident.